Dementia is a kind of umbrella term for diseases of the brain, and it affects different parts of the brain, and it's very unique for each individual. It's an unbelievably difficult time for everybody because to some extent you start to lose that individual on some level, and that can be very painful. We run 4 meeting centres at the moment in Powys, the first 4 in Wales. It's very difficult for them to come in the first instance, but then they start to relax and just feel happy to talk about it when they hear other people being very honest, and the carers can come and be very honest about how they're feeling.
There's not much conversation at home, so it's really good for me to get out and meet people and talk. He really enjoys himself and plays table tennis, which is amazing to see them playing table tennis, and the activities are so good. We get a lady that comes in to give us a massage once a month. We have the drumming session. It's sort of structure to your week. You look forward to Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's very important. Otherwise, if we were in, life would be a lot harder.
There's over 800 voluntary groups in Powys. A lot of them to do with dementia and elderly people, and a lot of informal groups which are helping with isolation and loneliness. So I see part of my role is linking with those groups. Basically, I go and talk to whoever I can about dementia and empowering people to make choices about what they would like to do, and at the same time educating children and linking children with older people. We never know when somebody is going to come out of their shell, and they do regularly, and that makes it a very special meeting centre. So it's hugely positive on so many levels.